Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Karibuni sana to my subscribers, to the new ones. Please make sure you are subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Welcome.
Ooh, strawberry skies. Ooh, butterflies inside. Monday morning like a 1, 2, 3. Saw you laughing, didn't notice me. Your blue sweater, messy golden hair. I just froze, I forgot how to breathe. Math class doodles hearts on my page. Wrote your name in a secret code language. Every glance feels like a sweet escape. Hope this daydream never fades away.
And with the great power, let's encourage yourself. Let's repeat again. And with the great power, the apostles gave witness to the resurrection of the Lord Jesus. And great grace was upon them.
Oops, current situation of my house. Since I left in a hurry, going to church. So everything is on a mess. And that's me. From church. I want to make lunch stroke dinner. Yeah, because this is a lot of work that I'm about to do. Yes, so let's do this. Come. Kujeni. So at this juncture ni kupika napika sasa because nimemaliza kufanya usafi, the rice is ready, so hapa ni kupika some stew. So ile maharagwe nilikuwa nimeanza nayo from nikisema you come mnakataa, ndio hii sasa tunaweka hapa. Then salt is a must, a Royco cube for the taste is a must. Then chumvi kwa umbali, kadhufu is a must also. So yeah, I'm doing all that in this preparation. Yes.
Are you ready? Without you, I'm not dead, man. We're meant to be together now and forever. Well, they know that I got everything wrong. They want to steal my heart. I don't wanna think about that, my love. You are my priority. They don't know that you got everything wrong. They wanna steal my heart, oh. I don't wanna think about that, my love. You are my priority.
Ghafla bin vo. Food is ready. House is clean, neat. Yani the bed is spread. Ni mimi tu sasa nikule. Na hii chakula sio mingi by the way.
Na mimi nabaki tambani. Ona nahisi kisirani hawa. Haina maana. Nina wewe.